In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get money using Sendwave. Before any transfer can reach you, make sure your Sendwave account is fully verified. This prevents delays and ensures the name and details on your profile match your legal ID. Open the Sendwave app and log in with your account. On the home screen, tap the menu icon or your profile picture to open your account options, then choose Verify Account. You'll be asked for your full name and date of birth. Enter them exactly as they appear on your government-issued ID. Next, select the purpose of your account, then tap Finish. When prompted, tap Continue so the app can guide you through the identity check. Choose your country, then select the type of document you'll use, like a national ID, passport, or driver's license. Tap Continue, and if you see another prompt to proceed, tap Continue again. When you're ready, tap Start to begin capturing your document. Place your ID on a flat surface in good lighting, avoid glare, and keep the entire document inside the frame. Hold your phone steady while the app focuses. Once the image looks clear and readable, tap Submit Photo. Next, the app will ask you to record your face. Tap Start Recording, then tap Start to begin. Follow the on-screen instructions. Keep your face centered, remove hats or glasses if asked, and make sure you're in a well-lit area. This step confirms the document belongs to you. Wait for the recording to finish and for the app to process it. That's it for verification. It may take a short while and you'll see a confirmation inside the app once it's approved. After your account is verified, you're ready to receive money. Ask the sender to send funds to the mobile number registered on your account. Before they send, confirm your mobile wallet is active and linked to that same number. The sender will select your country and choose your mobile wallet provider directly in their Sendwave app. Then complete the transfer. Once the transfer is sent, you'll receive a confirmation message or SMS from your mobile wallet provider. At that point, you can check your wallet balance and use the funds as you normally would. If you don't see the money right away, give it a few minutes and ensure you have a stable internet connection on your phone. Keeping your details up to date and your ID photos clear helps avoid verification hiccups in the future. And that's how to get money using Sendwave from start to finish.